Welcome back to another Rochielin video. Today we are on the road again, another country vlog. We're in Portland, Jamaica, and we're actually going rafting. So I'm gonna encourage you to stick around. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and if you are ever interested in rafting, then you should definitely stay and check out the video, right? So you know how it goes. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning, Denver.
My name is Denver.
Denver, if you talk up, I can't hear you.
My name is Denver.
Yes.
We are going a mile up the river.
Yeah.
And I want you to relax,
Yeah.
enjoy the ride, sit back. Any question to ask?
Yeah.
I'll make the answer, okay?
Alright. The sun I got at the whole ride?
Well, supposed to. Because the time over here.
Alright, Denver. So fam, we are currently in Portland. We're rafting on the Rio Grande River. It's my first time, it's Daniel's first time as well, and we are excited. It's one of those things in Jamaica that you must do when you come here. Let me take my glasses off so y'all can see me. You know, I was actually expecting the raft to be a little wider, to be honest. But you know, we'll make do with the cute up and all these things. Yeah, now let me show you what's ahead of us. We have Denver over there rowing us, and we have our life jackets because you know we need to keep safe. So them say if anything happens, just dry feed. But Denver said it's gonna be a smooth little.
If you want to go in the water, you can go.
I can go in the water?
If you want,
Okay.
Is it deep?
some parts is deep and some parts you can step off and swim.
Okay.
Okay, Denny. That's
Yeah, that's a whole nice one.
Okay, man, no problem.
all right. So this is calm and peaceful. So Denny,
Yes.
this not hard for row.
I tell you something, it's something that I use.
You're used to.
It's not trade.
One bag of strength.
So you have a lot of strength in your arms.
Well, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I see the muscle there, man. Hello? Yeah, guys, this is calm and oh, my like under here, so.
How shady you like it?
I like under here, so out of the sun. This is calm and relaxing. You know, you can come with your boo. There are several spots in Jamaica where you can do it. Portland and the Rio Grande happens to be one. And it was a very easy find because we used Google Maps and it wasn't hard to get here, you know. So you know, the photos should be bomb because I brought the nice camera to take some photos. Yeah, it's somewhere you come with your family, your boo, your best friend, like I am. Ow.
It's so relaxing.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys.
Wow.
Yeah, Danny, I like how you keep to the corner. Out of the sun. I like this.
Well, I got you over here. This year, you know?
Yeah. So Danny,
Yeah.
you build a raft?
I build the raft.
You build it?
Yeah.
Wow.
How long it take?
Mostly the raft. I go to the bamboo like this morning. Go to the bush like this morning.
Yeah.
And maybe 2 in the morning I cut the 12 pieces of bamboo
Yeah.
and dry it out. And the other day I come and match them up together.
Yeah.
We have the wire and things. Put them together and tie them up with the wire.
Mm-hmm.
When you see the seat now, we have the seat can use for many bottoms. So we just get a bottom.
Okay.
Fill a bottom and tie on the seat. It's more easier, but when you don't have a seat,
Mm-hmm.
you have to make the whole complete raft.
So do you have any other rafts that are wider?
Not really.
Most of these ones are this slim.
That's the size of the raft.
Okay.
This is the size of all of the raft.
Okay, gotcha.
There is some of the
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Heavy people, let me know.
Oh, that's great. So we're not gonna turn over then. Coming away much, you know.
Don't think about.
No, yeah, I know, so we're safe with you.
Turn over now, man. You see, let me tell you something. You see the younger way the excited part in the ride is coming from the 8 miles. From the top. That is the excited part because you're coming down some rapid, you know?
Yeah.
And the raft coming fast down the rapid there.
Honestly, this is very peaceful. And I'm liking that we're kind of in the shade and not directly in the sun. You know me, man, I'm just in the direct sun. So. But this is nice. Only thing I like right now, look at Rafting is today seen as an attraction in Jamaica, but it didn't quite start that way. Rafting actually began out of a necessity to transport bananas from the inland plantations to the harbor of Port Antonio in Portland for export. It eventually became popular when Errol Flynn, who is a famous 1950s actor, started rafting for fun. He would challenge his famous friends that he would invite to come and visit Jamaica to moonlight races on the raft. Today, rafting is done at several spots around Jamaica, and Martha Brae is another popular location, and that's in Trelawney. So I'm going to encourage you, if you're ever in Trelawney, to definitely check that out. Today's journey, however, takes us along the Rio Grande River, which is on the eastern side of the island in the parish of Portland, and the sun is no joke. We just got a makeshift umbrella. This is us under the umbrella right now, and we've approached a sand mine with a lot of rocks, so Denny has to be clearing a path for us to move because there are lots of rocks right here, you see, to the point where he can come out and walk in the water.
When the river low,
Yeah.
them grow.
Oh, look at it.
This grass, you know?
What's the grass called?
When the river is low, these grass grow.
Is there a name for the grass?
Water grass.
Water grass. Okay. So apparently these grow when the river is low. They're called water grass. Look, it looks like a whole world under the water, you know? This umbrella makes a huge difference. Huge. Because the sun is hot. I recommend that if you're doing this, do it closer to the evening where it's not so hot.
Stand and come. Don't be afraid, man. Just stand.
Go on.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be scared. I'm happy on this side.
I'm telling you, don't be scared, man. Just come.
Hey, take time, no man, your steps are heavy.
Don't be scared. Just
Your step too heavy, boss.
Alright, look at it. Just come straight.
Take time.
Come straight. Alright, you go and hold the pole.
Time to take
Just stand up.
pictures.
You go and hold the pole like
So then you're gonna dive off.
you go and take a picture, alright? You go and put it down. Seat it like this. Yeah.
Just do it fast. One more. One more.
Wait.
Put it on the other side.
Put it on the other side. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Walk one for the under. Why didn't it? Yeah. See where you are now? Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna love these. Yeah.
Wait.
One more. Yeah. Super mega man. Yeah. Like then you have nothing for you. Yeah. Give me the hands up something there a while ago again. These photos. No. I don't think you can see. Super mega.
You're it. I'm going.
Guys, how should I get no bomb photos from me? Let's push her overboard.
Alright, we're going to see how easy it is. Because you can't be scared the cat going down there.
Then you have to fix them man behind and them loose.
Alright.
Them alright, go on.
You see me on the vlog then?
Should I take this easy now? Yeah, this sit down and work with me.
Do what?
This sit down and work with me, man.
Okay.
Smile. Again, smile.
Stay down in there. Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, stay right this way. Right this way. Stay right this way. Stop move.
Then remember, so me stand up still.
Oh, no problem, man. You're not going this far.
You sure?
You're not going so far.
So I'm standing. I'm standing, guys. And Denny's over there. And Daniel is over there. I'm not gonna fall. So I can stand. Alright. So we going. Watch your wire, watch your wire, watch your wire.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you can go a little further down
Further?
this stuff. Yeah, man, you know, can stand up alright. So that's how I bring you here saying.
What is that?
This called a ass eye.
Horse eye?
Yeah.
What is it for?
Well, they take it and make souvenir.
Oh.
Some people bore it with a hot wire. And the one them call carcoon. You know carcoon?
Cocoon, yeah.
Yeah, them use it on carcoon and dry it with a little string like this.
Oh, and use it make necklace?
Yeah, some people make it necklace and here it go when they make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, some bats. Can't show, man. When you into that water, you get 10 years younger.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You put it more on edit than
You don't want to look 10 years younger.
Why?
Nobody not took her serious. Yes, like a kid. Yes, my swimmer friend. Come on, fish.
You're not picking a dip.
The whole of the gel come out of your head.
That's fine. We're not going to after this.
You're not taking a dip into the water.
If you don't want shady part,
This shady. I don't feel much sun.
take in the water. But me I see the sun fire. base.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll park.
Yeah.
Park the car.
Yeah, remember, turn your feet sideways, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Remember to come and get the umbrella, please. Thank you, darling. So guys, this is one of my subscribers. Tell me your name.
Yeah, man, a G, man. I see it. Up top settings, that itching here.
Alright.
Yes, babes.
Alright, so thank you.
You're welcome, girl.
Alright. Alright, guys, so we are finally done. We're done an hour and a half later. About to go look some food and head back to Kingston because it is almost time for, well, it's soon time for curfew. So we have to finish up everything that we have to do on the road before going back. Before curfew begins. We had fun. It was a good little trip. It was nice. It was serene. Rochielin. Rochielin. You should. Me no. Yeah, guys. So it was a good experience, and trust me, it definitely take a lot of arm strength and upper body and lower body strength to just roll that thing all the way through. Hats off to these guys that do it every day. I know it's their bread and butter, and I'm so happy to be able to experience it and to contribute to their everyday living, you know. It's a good experience. If you are ever in this neck of the woods in Portland or in any other rafting village around the island, I'm going to encourage you to definitely go and try rafting. It's peaceful, it's serene, it's nice. You have so many different places you can try out, and I mean, if you're going with a, you know, as a couple, with your family, with a friend, by yourself, it's one of those very relaxing things to do. Just make sure that you eat before, because there's no food to eat while you're on the river, but I'd say try it out. I definitely had a blast. Daniel had a blast, and I just want to say thank you so much for being here with me. We're gonna get some food and touch the road. So if this is the end of the vlog, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. If I continue vlogging, still like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'm gonna say later for now. So bye.